Creating heaven and earth forms good karma on an auspicious day and at a good time. All things are complete. If you get this sign, it's no small feat, as it declares that people act with loyalty and righteousness, like an emperor. This divination symbolizes Pangu at the beginning of the creation of heaven and earth, indicating that all matters are auspicious. Rapidly as lightning, before the year's time is due, Kwan Yin descends with a pen, first to let you know. The koi, yet to transform, guards the rivers, unable to soar high or look upwards. In the future, it will undergo great changes, and it is promised that with a leap, it will ascend the Dragon Gate. This sign symbolizes the koi before its transformation, suggesting that all things require patience and waiting for the right time. It will be beneficial if you can put up with everything. Please be patient. Wait for the proper time to build on your honor and reputation. After braving the winds and rains, a wanderer returns, working like a swallow, building in vain a clay shelter that collapses and disappears whenever it rains. Your attempts will be futile, like a bird attempting to build a nest out of clay to protect itself from rain. Even if one tries every method and means available, slogs hard night and day, all efforts will eventually be futile. The ancient broken mirror has been repaired. The couple, who had been separated, reunited. A new home is brought, and their descendants will have more riches and joy. A broken mirror is reassembled. Although time-consuming and labor-intensive, all efforts to correct past errors will be rewarding. Sift through the sands for gold, then mount the dragon and ride it to trample the tiger. Although the process is time-consuming, errors can be corrected. Hammer and chisel the earth for a much-needed spring. With much effort, one seeks fresh water. Then, unexpectedly, a friend appears, takes your hand, and leads you up to the blue sky. A man dives deep into the ground in search of water. Finally, he sees that success is quickly gained via hard labor. What you're looking for can be found in the West. Stay put, and everything will fall into place. Make a sacrifice to live in a condor's cave. It may be perilous, but with your strong heart, reap benefits that no one else can equal, and no one will be able to explore the world as freely as you, living in a cave with a massive condor. Follow your harmony in life, and fortune will follow you. Food will be plentiful, with a modest surplus. Life is poor and simple, yet it is happy. Be patient, enjoy your wealth and power, and share it with others. The path ahead is blocked and dangerous as the rivers transport the land to the mountains. So, come home if you're looking for work in another country and can't find it. You're trudging through muddy water. Change is undesirable, and you should remain where you are. It should recede, since advancement will be difficult. It would be beneficial if you stayed where you were and did not become overly ambitious. Pines and cypresses grow and thrive. No amount of rain, snow, wind, or cold can kill them. He will be a bastion of society when he has proven his worth. Cypress and pine trees are proliferating. Everything has a noble aspect to it, a pleasant and easy journey. Success in all aspects of your life. Crops will proliferate in plenty. Your family's prominence and fortune will rise. Set aside your preconceptions and pride and follow your conscience. A heart that is open, pure, and bright shines like a full moon high in the sky. A full moon illuminates the pristine night sky. If your intentions are good, everything will go smoothly. Be truthful and objective. Maintain objectivity and rational principles. Nobody, saint or sage, ever gives in to their desires. Things will ultimately get better. Rare jade and diamonds are hidden within, but one must go to faraway regions to find them. Save your concerns, pack up, and go home like someone seeking light while carrying a lantern. A man holds a lamp and continues to search for light. Be patient and wait. Success will come. Marriage will arrive, and everything will be okay. Don't limit yourself. What's in front of you is genuine.